Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Guess what I have here? Well, on December 5th, 2016, I purchased these Isotoner micro cloth, I think, slippers, men's slippers. I posted the video December 5th, 2016. And I was walking around recently, and I've worn them every day. So, you know, this is real life testing. And ever, like, I was chopping onions or something in the kitchen, and one flew some on the floor, I think, and well, I thought I had stepped on it. It was stuck on the bottom of the sole, and it was sort of like a crunching, but what I found out was that the soles are cracking and falling apart. So I've had these about 22 months. So I went with what I know. I bought another pair. So if you look here, I don't know if you can see that, which is kind of weird. It's like it's dried out. Yeah, so I know they can do accelerated life testing where, you know, you put this on a mechanical machine to see what the life expectancy of the product would be under normal wear and tear, except at accelerated pace. But here's a real life example of the life expectancy of this Isotoner slipper, men's slipper. I was looking on Amazon. I saw an image of another slipper. I said, yeah, that looks pretty good. But then when I saw the comments, they had the sole completely separating from the upper in a very short period of time. So 22 months for the slipper. I like it. So like I said, I went and I purchased the exact pair to replace these. So here they are. All nice and new. They actually feel better. I guess I must have stretched those other ones out. Those feel good. Wow, yeah, those other ones that were due. I forgot what the new ones felt like. So these feel good too. So it's just, I don't know why this material, I don't know, 22 months, can't complain, I guess, right? So I thought I'd do a quick video on, it's not often you see some real life testing of a product. So like I said, I posted the video on December 1st, and it's been about, of 2016, it's been about 22 months, and I went with the same slippers. I like them. Again, it's the Isotoner men's slippers. Memory step with memory foam. So, hope you found this video helpful. Please like, subscribe, and or comment. And thanks for watching. Have a nice new pair of slippers. See ya.